Okay, I will try it. Okay, so here we are starting our lesson 5, fruits and seeds. So most of the plants around us produce flowers, right? So these flowers will change into fruits. You have seen mango flowers. White color mango flowers will produce first. From that mango flowers, small fruits, mango fruits will produce. Yeah. In the same way, you can see pumpkin flower. From that pumpkin flower, due to the action of the insects and all, pumpkin fruits will produce from it, right? Pomegranate. Likewise, so many, all the fruits that are produced from the flowers of that plant. From the flowers,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
yes, yes. So from the flower, it will produce fruits. From the fruits, seeds are there. Sometimes some fruits will contain only one seed. Can you give example for fruit which contain only one seed? Mango. Okay, mango is there. And sometimes that fruit some fruits may contain many seeds. Example, papaya,
Ma'am, watermelon,
watermelon, papaya, jackfruit,
coconut,
okay,
coconut,
apple.
coconut, strawberry,
In the say coconut. From one coconut, we can produce only one.
no, coconut is a seed.
Okay, so from one.
Ma'am, coconut is a seed.
Okay, from one coconut, we can produce only one plant. So, and some fruits are there, they don't have any one seed. Can you tell me some fruits which doesn't contain any seed? Some grapes are there, right? Without seed. Grapes without seed.
Apple,
So,
apple.
apple have many seeds. Okay, so these seeds are very important for the production of plants, some baby plants. So how this, what is a seed? How these seeds, from these seeds, how the baby plants are producing, we can watch it through a video. And in the coming classes, we can discuss more about it. Okay, are you ready to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Ma'am.
one condition, mute your audio. In between, don't make me to stop it and to come back. Okay, Jellin, mute your, say, switch on your video. I can't see you. Jellin Shaichu. Parvati, mute it fast, fast. See, okay, are you ready to see it? Then mute your audio and say somebody is making disturbing sound. Mute your audio fast, otherwise you won't be able to hear it. Okay, see, I am not keeping any audio. Just you can, I will give the narration. In between, I will explain it. Okay, so here you can see a seed. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we can see
Yes, ma'am.
see a seed. This seed that comes out of fruit. Okay. So when it comes out of the fruit, so see here it will be in a long sleeve. Means if the conditions are, it needs some conditions, some temperature, accurate temperature, water, air, then sunlight. If that seed gets these all things in proper quantity, then only the seed will produce the seedling or the baby plant. Okay, what all are it is, we can see. I, I think you can't hear the audio, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is
No,
a
ma'am.
seed.
No,
This
ma'am.
is a seed, okay. So, see, here you can see when a seed wakes and starts to grow into a plant, When a seed turns into a baby plant, that process is called germination. Germination. In this chapter, we are going to learn about germination. Okay. When a seed turns into a baby plant, that process is called germination. So what are the conditions required for a seed to germinate? We can see.
Sunlight.
See here, you can see here, moist, correct, exact. Some alarm clocks have shown it here, right? So this shows that when the moisture is proper, then only it can form into a seedling. Temperature, it need a particular temperature and also nutrition. Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the video again?
I will show it. Okay, from now onwards, you just see it, right? So it needs a exact amount of moisture, temperature, soil nutrients like vitamins, minerals that we need for our growth. In the same way, seeds also need some nutrients that it will get it from the soil. And sunlight, proper amount of sunlight, that also it needs. When these all conditions are in proper, then only the seed will start to germinate. Okay? Yeah. The conditions are, these conditions are in proper quantity, so this seed will start to germinate. Okay. So before germination, see, here we can see the parts of a seed. First you have seen it, right? Outer covering of a seed. I will show it once again. See, the first part of a seed is its seed coat. Have you seen it is removing that seed coat? Have you seen it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this seed coat means covering of the seed, outer covering of the seed. It protects the seed which is inside. Okay, this seed coat protects the seed which it is inside. So, parts of, we are discussing here about the parts of a seed. First one, seed coat. Have you understood? Seed coat. So, next one, cotyledons. See, next one, these seed have some food stored in it, right? The seeds store food in it. That food is for the baby plant which it is kept in it, right? So baby plant should need the food, right? So from where that baby plant will get it? The seed cotyledons. When you see the seed, inside the seed coat, you can see some fleshy part. That fleshy part is called cotyledon. That fleshy part is called cotyledon. I think you can see that word, right? Cotyledon. Have you seen that cotyledon?
Yes,
Cotyledon
ma'am.
means that fleshy part of a seed. Fleshy part of a seed. Okay, this fleshy part is the food of the food which it is kept for the seedling. Seedling means baby plant. So seeds have outer covering called seed coat. Cotyledons. Cotyledons are the part of the seed which store food for the baby plant. And what all things are there inside? We can see. Muted somebody. Helen, mute your audio. See, Have you seen that baby plant from that seed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in each plant, in each seed, there we say small baby plant inside. We can call it as embryo. Okay. So all the seeds contain seed coat, covering outer covering of the seed. Next one, food is stored for the baby plant. That is called cotyledon, and a small baby plant. These three things are there inside a seed. So when these seeds get proper amount of moisture, proper amount of sunlight, water, nutrients, these all things, if it is they get it in proper quantity, the seed will start to germinate. Okay, so please watch it. See, moisture, temperature, soil, sunlight, everything is fine for this seed. So it will start to germinate. See, can you see the root?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when
Now I
the
can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I can see.
okay, so here, see when the conditions are good, the seed will start to germinate. So first it will produce the roots. So you may have a doubt when the seeds are there before germination. Hmm. Rudra, mute your audio. So before germination, how the seeds will get the food? We learned in the lower classes that roots will get the minerals from the soil. But the seeds don't have the roots, so how they will get it? See, therefore the baby plant in the seed, they will store the food as cotyledon, the fleshy part of the seed. Okay, here as the conditions are good, the seeds start to germinate. First it will produce the roots. The roots will come down from it. Okay, so after that the shoot, the part which is come out of the ground, that will produce. It will contain a stem and the leaf. Here you can watch it. So after germination, so the turns into a seed turns into a baby plant. Okay, see, first it turns into a baby plant. After that, it turned into a big tree. As it becomes big tree, it also will produce flowers. That flowers will change into fruits. From that fruits, what will produce? From that fruits,
Seed.
seeds. So many. Sometimes
Seed.
there may be one seed in one fruit. Sometimes there may be so
Main.
many seeds in the same fruit. So seeds, we will get seeds. These seeds will fall down there itself, right? These fruits, when it ripe, it will fall down under the tree. It will start to, when the fruit become decay, the seeds will come out of it. It will start to produce seedless, baby plants. So up to this you learned it? Understood properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am.
second part we will learn it in the coming days. Okay. So first part we can learn today and the next class also. So let me again start with the beginning itself. I think some students are requested to show that video again. So you have to watch it carefully. If you have any doubt, after stopping video, you can ask. Okay. Don't ask in between. Here I am going to start from the first interval. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay.
Ma'am, yeah.
So, yes. Yes. Any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Anybody have
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Clear. Everything is clear. So let me ask you
Ma'am,
one.
ma'am, I
Yeah.
have one doubt.
Yeah,
First,
wait. Yes.
first it will become root and it will become stems and leaves. Then it will become flowers only, no? Not
Uh,
it will become tree.
See, it is according to the seed. If it is a big tree, if it is a big tree, it will take time. See, Najma, mute your audio. So, if it is a, if the seed is of a big tree like mango, jackfruit and all, so when it become a big tree, then only it will start to flower. Okay. But if small plants are there, for example, what we can say, some small
Ma'am, Tulasi.
tulasis and all. Okay, so they are of
I'm rose.
small rose. Okay, rose. See this rose. When it is small plant, then itself it will start to flower, start to produce flowers. Okay, but in the case of mango, this one, jackfruit and all, when they become big tree, then only they will start to flower it. Okay, and then that flowers will change into fruits. Is it clear, Neville, now? It is based on the plant, based on the plant that flowering time will change according to that. Nevin, is it clear? Nevin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's clear.
Any more
Excuse me,
doubt?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Razin? Razin. Ask me.
ma'am, in the video, the seed removes his shell, like, then he is putting again.
See, that video, it want to show that the seed outer covering of, it has a outer cover. Understood? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So only to show it. It is not just a funny way. Okay, it's removing and again it is wearing it, right? So it
Yes,
won't
ma'am.
be able to do it. The seed won't be do it. Once it lost the seed coat, it can't get another one. But to show you that it has a seed coat, outer covering. That is why it is done in a funny way. Okay? Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt? Is there any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, it's clear. So let me ask you one question. Huh? What do you mean by germination?
Ma'am, can Anupama tell the answer?
No. Raise your, those who know the answer, raise it. Don't unmute it, okay? In good manner. Huh? So those who know the answer, what do you mean by germination? What do you mean by germination? Raise your hand. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 only. See, I am showing a video to Issa also. Okay, Issa, tell me, what do you mean by germination?
The growing of plants.
Growing of plants from where? From where? From where?
From seed.
Okay, Irene, tell me, Irene. First, unmute it once.
From
Some more loud. Some more loud.
seed.
When a seed grows into a new plant, Isa, in between you missed some of the, so you are not listening, right? That is why. So Isa, tell me.
I told it.
Okay, sound was low. That is why. Okay. So now can you say it? What do you mean by germination?
New plants.
Germination. What do you mean by germination?
When a seed grows into a new plant.
Okay. When a seed grows into a new plant, that process is called germination. That process is called germination.
Germination.
Okay. So seeds we get from the fruits, right? So give me example for. So give me example for fruits that contain many seeds. Example for fruit. Hey, without my permission, don't tell it. I am asking question.
Sorry, ma'am.
Jerry and Elizabeth, mute it. So, example for fruits that contain many fruits. See here, Abel is sitting simply. Abel, give me example for fruits that contain many seeds. Abel.
Ma'am, can Vidra tell?
No, I am asking to Abel.
Please, ma'am.
Abel.
Apple.
Apple, okay. Then give some more example. Not only jackfruit, somebody told you. Huh? No, apple, jackfruit, think. That contain many pomegranate,
Passion fruit.
passion fruit.
Watermelon.
See, when I ask examples, you should give me more than 2. Okay, don't stop it after saying one example. Every time, when I ask some example, you should give me more than 2 examples. So many examples you have to give. Then only you can understand that portion properly. Okay. So try to find out more and more examples. Your own.
Watermelon, papaya, jackfruit, strawberry, apple.
Anupama, did I ask you to tell it? Huh?
Sorry, ma'am.
If you are doing like this, how it will be? Huh? So next one. Naren, switch on your video. In between Jelin, Shaiju, switch on your video. Naren. Okay. Prayan. Give me an example for fruit that contain only one seed. Fruit that contain only one seed. No. So who can tell it? Okay, Issa. One
Yes,
more
ma'am.
chance. Yes, tell me.
Mango.
Okay. Then only one. Jelin Elizabeth is excited to give me that example.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, example. Mango, is that told it?
Mango. Coconut.
Coconut, okay, good. So find out more example for that. Okay, so the next class.
Avocado.
Okay, okay. So next class, I will be asking the examples. Okay, so you find out it, and that is the assignment.
Avocado. Ma'am, avocado.
So,
Good
okay,
time.
good. So, bye.